Hello all. In this video I am going to explain about slope interception form, and also we are going to discuss about a few example problems. Let us go into the topic now. Slope intercept form. So basically we have different representation of straight line equation. Okay. In general, for example, a generalized equation, it is like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So any straight line equation can be represented by this particular equation. So now we are going to express a straight line equation in the form of slope intercept form. So that's what the topic is. Now in this particular graph, I'm going to have a vertical line like this. I'm going to consider this particular line as number 1. Okay. So this vertical line is completely parallel to the y-axis. We know this is y-axis, right? This is y-axis, and here this is x-axis. Okay, so this is completely parallel. There is no way to intersect on the y-axis, right? It is not possible. So I'm going to consider some other line which is not vertical. For example, this one. So we can have this is the line 2, and this is not a vertical line. Suppose if I extend this line like this, right, it will cut y-axis in some of the coordinate point. So for this line, it cuts here, right? Somewhere else it cuts here. Okay. So from this we can understand whenever it is not a vertical line, it will cut on the y-axis. Okay, at any point. That is not a problem actually. So based on this, we can derive this slope intercept form. Okay. So every straight line that is not vertical will cut the y-axis at any single point. The first thing. The y-coordinate of this point is called y-intercept of line. Okay, so in this particular point we can have for example, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to some value. For any value we can have. So that particular y value or the y-coordinate value is called y-intercept of this particular line. Okay, so that's the meaning. Okay, so a line with slope m and y-intercept c can be expressed through the generalized equation y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c. So when we write the straight line equation in this form, we can say this m is equal to slope and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so I hope you are very clear now. Based on this, we are going to solve an example problem now. This is example problem, example 5.18, the first subdivision. Find the equation of straight line whose slope is 5 and y-intercept is minus 9. Okay, so first we will write whatever they have given in the question. Slope they have given, right? Slope. So we know slope is m actually. So m is equal to 5, right? Then y-intercept they have given, right? So y-intercept is c. So c is minus 9. Okay. We know the formula, the general equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So I'm going to substitute in this, and I will get y is equal to m is 5 actually. So 5x minus 9. C is minus 9. So this is the equation. Okay. So from this intercept equation, I'm going to find out the generalized straight line equation. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange, right? So 5x minus y, I have brought this y right hand side. So 5x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the generalized straight line equation for the given question where the slope is 5 and y-intercept is minus 9. Okay, let us understand this particular concept with a graph. Okay, we have a graph here. and we know this is y, and here it is minus y, right? This is x, and this is minus x. For this equation, we are going to assume some x value. For the x value, we are going to find out y value, and we will get the coordinate points, and whatever coordinate points we have got, we are going to mark on the graph, and we are going to draw the straight line. So for example, we can have x is equal to minus 1. So when x is equal to minus 1, we know this y is equal to minus 14. Then x is equal to 0. So for x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 9. Then x is equal to 1. For x is equal to 1, we have y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so this is 0, and now I am going to mark this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. So here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In y-axis, okay, we can take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and in the minus axis, this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12. So this is minus 14. Okay, just I am going to mark when x is equal to minus 1. Okay, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 14. So this is the point actually, right? Minus 14, this one. Okay, then next x is 0, y is equal to minus 9. So this will be the minus 9. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 4. So this is minus 4. Okay, so if I try to join this line, okay, it will pass through this one, and it will go like this, right? So if you look at this particular point, okay, this particular point is 0, minus 9. Okay, so for the given equation, the straight line passes through the y coordinate minus 9. Okay, the straight line passes through the y coordinate minus 9. So this minus 9 is the y-intercept of the given equation. Okay, so that's what the given in the question actually. Okay, so this is how we can understand this particular problems, and this is a very important concept in straight line equations. Okay, thank you.